To add Discord to Google Authenticator, start by opening the Discord application on your device and navigating to the User Settings section. This can be done by clicking on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the User Settings section, select the Security option from the left-hand menu. This will take you to the security page where you can manage various security features, including two-factor authentication. To enable two-factor authentication, click on the two-factor authentication option and then select the Authenticator app option. Discord will then provide you with a QR code that you need to scan using the Google Authenticator application on your device. Before scanning the QR code, ensure that you have the Google Authenticator application installed on your device. If you do not have it, you can download it from the App Store. Once you have the Google Authenticator application open, click on the plus icon to add a new account. Select the Scan a QR code option and point your device's camera at the QR code provided by Discord. The Google Authenticator application will then scan the QR code and add Discord to the list of accounts. After adding Discord to the Google Authenticator application, you will be required to enter the 6-digit code generated by the application to complete the two-factor authentication setup process on Discord. It is essential to note that you should save the backup codes provided by Discord in a safe place, as these codes can be used to regain access to your account in case you lose access to the Google Authenticator application. By following these steps, you can successfully add Discord to the Google Authenticator application and enhance the security of your Discord account using two-factor authentication. This provides an additional layer of protection against unauthorized access and helps to safeguard your account and personal data.